No, but still, I mean, if you're the audience, there's nothing happening on screen.
Some
People are just
action.
talking.
Some actions. Come on.
If you want to dupatta.
Gestures.
What? You want us to fall down or beat you all or
Come
something
on,
like that?
start.
There is nothing else.
चलना स्टार्ट कर कभी
स्टार्ट हो गया
This is for dance, huh? Cover yourself. Don't fall.
Okay, you ready? Read paper.
You know this, right? No.
इतना भी कवर मत करो. इतना
Just
just
you
keep it.
want to see नीचे से.
Oh, hello, Mr. Kumar.
हेलो मिस्टर रन्ना मीट माय वाइफ रीचा
Namaste.
माय सन संपर
Namaste, beta. Come in. Have your seat.
थैंक यू
You can stay behind. Okay.
Mrs. Karnataka Kumar said here.
Welcome, ji, welcome. I hope it wasn't too hard to find a house.
नो इट वाज नॉट एट ऑल
Not at all. You know, my son is very good with directions.
Ah,
No, don't say marna.
I'll just get you some water.
So, Mr. Kumar, how is your poultry business going on?
Well, it's going okay. Well, it's going okay.
Huh?
Because of the winter, the hens are not laying eggs.
Okay.
But I hope they'll be back.
Yeah.
We trust them.
Hmm.
And what about your dairy business?
It's fine. I mean, it's not going on well. The cows are missing and we're trying to find those cows.
Oh,
You know,
okay. Yeah.
it's very hard to find them. Oh, that's your.
This is our daughter Chandramukhi. Chandramukhi, why don't you give them something to drink?
Oh, we are fine with it.
Yeah.
Just have a seat.
So, what does she do?
Oh, she does a lot of activities, you know. She's like the lifeline of our family. You see that picture on the wall? Yeah, she's drawn it all by herself.
Oh.
And this pillow over here, you see this one? All the embroidery. She did it. Oh, she's so talented.
I mean, how much has she learned?
You know, the high school exams, she all
She wrote it.
she wrote it, you know,
Oh.
that too 3 times.
So, how about you, beta?
Now come on! She's gonna see me. क्या है यार?
Okay, sorry. Actually, that happened. Okay, sorry.
See, Kaushik's behind.
Yeah, go. She will be out of
He will laugh,
Kaushik can't stop.
She's singing. She's trying to have a too.
Okay. I just wrote it once because I heard it.
Oh, no. Beta, I mean, how far have you studied?
Oh, he went to high school
Ah.
and went to college, completed 4 long years, and achieved this BSc degree, you know.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good. This is the son has just done MA. Has done BSc. They could show so many letters. Make our baby so proud.
Yeah. Okay, just ignore. Yeah. So, what do you do for a living, beta?
Oh, he works in a hospital, you know.
Oh, good. Which hospital?
It's a very big hospital in the city. Have you heard of Whittle Valley Hospital?
No.
Yeah. We've been there a lot, you know.
Awesome. Are you sure?
Yeah, we go there whenever anyone in the family is sick.
What?
Yes.
It's a veterinary hospital. You must have mistaken it for something else.
You know, she cannot be cured with normal dogs.
Oh.
Baby, why don't you give them something to drink? Please, what's your last name of drink?
Thank you.
I think you should say doctor only. Dogs, पता नहीं dogs
Doctor से
बन रहा है. ये
Normal dog.
vet के बाद dogs बन रहा है, पता नहीं.
Hey,
Doctor
She's waiting. Hey, wait.
Okay, you wait. Pause.
doctor ही है because
Normal doctor से बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं.
हाँ ये dogs.
See, with this,
नहीं
is it right?
मेरा नहीं मेरा नहीं मैं देख रही हूँ क्या है.
So
पुराना कंप्लीट हो रहा है मेरा शायद.
शायद पूरा नहीं था.
झूठ से डॉक्टर होने
Doctor.
This is very nice.
ठीक है.
We need to
Yeah,
improve
seriously.
it. ये बहुत अच्छा है.
You know, it's helping a lot.
Yeah, that's all.
It's making it look very subtle. You're moving and then look very.
Come back.
Come back.
Yeah,
please.
but
Give me that.
Don't
But-
fall out. We don't want you injured.
So, beta, what do you do for a living?
He works in a hospital, you know.
Oh, good, good. Which hospital?
It's a very big hospital in the city. Have you heard of Udal Valley Hospital?
No.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
We've been there a lot, you know.
Huh?
Are you sure?
Yes, we go there whenever anyone in the family is sick.
What?
Yes.
But it's a veterinary hospital. You must have mistaken it for something else.
Yeah, yeah. She cannot be cured with the normal doctors, you know. Yeah.
Betty, why don't you serve them some snacks?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Beti, serving to Sampath also.
Okay, like okay. That happens.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. How do you get it? I don't know.
That was even more.
Hola.
Oh, it looks like a lot of effort has gone into making this.
No, no, not at all. We just dried the dates a week back, ground them into a fine powder, put them in the milk, churn the milk for a couple of hours, and it was ready. Chandramukhi made it all by herself, you know. She's such a good cook. What nonsense. I didn't even have any idea about what I was serving. My mom is trying her best to sell me. Oh no, not sell me, market me.
So Sampath, how do you commute? Do you have a car?
How big?
Oh, actually, we sold ours, you know, because we know you were going to give us a bigger one. How about a theater or something?
You're right. The only thing my family can give them is probably 3 bullock carts and 10 cows or something.
Okay, let's discuss that later, you know. Let's first discuss the marriage and then we'll see.
We assume we like our daughter. She's so beautiful, you know.
Yeah, I agree. She is really very pretty. Do you want to talk to her, beta?
You know these kids, they are so shy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will you let us talk? Okay, like we all came late down,
Yeah, but
awesome. And you got